On April 10, 2025, Imboni was honored in a grand ceremony in the city of Seoul, South Korea, where Imboni was nominated as one of the distinguished recipients of the 10th Sunhak Peace Prize under the Founders Laureate, also referred to as the Special Founders Award category. This award was also received by the former President of Nigeria, His Excellency Goodluck Jonathan. The event was graced by a diverse gathering of representatives and eminent guests from around the globe. Among those present were Dr. Ban Ki-moon, the former Secretary General of the United Nations and a previous laureate of the Sunhak Peace Award, as well as His Excellency Macky Sall, the former President of Senegal, who has also been recognized for his contributions towards peace in the past. Their presence underlined the global significance of this occasion. The Sunhak Peace Prize is bestowed upon individuals who have made profound sacrifices in the name of peace, honoring their dedicated efforts and shining a beacon of hope for all those who aspire to a harmonious world. Noteworthy, nominated by the Sunhak Peace Prize Committee, included Hugh Evans, the founder of Global Citizens, whose work mobilizes individuals for global action; Patrick Awuah, an indigenous educational reformer striving to empower Africa's youth; and Wanjira Maathai, a passionate advocate for ecological restoration across the African continent. It is important to emphasize that the nominees for this prestigious award were selected long ago. Imboni was nominated months after the initial selection, which symbolizes how Imboni's work resonates with the mission of the Sunhak Peace Prize. Consequently, the Special Founders Award was personally presented by Dr. Hak Ja Han Moon, the founder of the prize. This gesture represented Holy Mother Han's respect for the recipients, particularly for Imboni, who has made significant contributions to recognizing and uplifting Africa, her people, and, most importantly, African indigenous spirituality. In Imboni's acceptance speech, Imboni noted that those who work for the greater good of society do not seek recognition, but find fulfillment in their commitment to life's purpose.
I would like to extend my warmest greetings to everyone gathered here today. It is truly a profound honor to stand before you as I accept this distinguished award. Receiving recognition for our efforts often catches us off guard. Our work is driven not by the pursuit of accolades, but by deep-seated commitment to fulfilling our life's purposes. I consider myself fortunate to have discovered my purpose, which is rooted in my spiritual journey. The acknowledgement I receive from others is a delightful surprise. Surrounding me are many influential leaders, including respected religious figures who are unfortunately at the forefront of attempting to bring me down. This is a challenge that the founders of the Sunhak Peace Prize, Holy Mother Han, has encountered and is facing as well throughout these years. A classic example is the situation currently in Japan, where a reputable institution, Family Federation, known for its contributions to society, is being forced to close down its doors. We often find ourselves in a relentless struggle between the forces of good and evil. Those who strive for goodness frequently find themselves unjustly labeled and confronted with obstacles. Yet, it is during these trials that the teachings of Sunhak Peace Prize laureates resonate deeply. They remind us that the meaningful actions we undertake in our lives will eventually lead to triumph and inspire others to seek change in the world. In closing, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to Holy Mother Han, the Mother of Peace, the glue of humanity, for establishing this remarkable organization that celebrates those who are dedicated to making a meaningful difference in the world. Your commitment to recognizing these individuals inspire us all to strive for positive change. I thank you.
네.
In addition to this prestigious recognition, Imboni also received an award of appreciation from True Mother during the Marriage and Family Summit, acknowledging Imboni's tireless advocacy for family building through the institution of marriage. Imboni was also requested to give an impromptu speech to a delegation of religious leaders from various religious backgrounds. In Imboni's address, Imboni articulated the crucial role of spirituality in fostering unity, insisting that true harmony among the world's communities can only be achieved through spirituality and not religion.
Leadership comes in different levels. There are those who are called to lead other leaders, and there are others who are called to lead followers. Human suffering and all humanity problems are man-made. It does not need a rocket scientist to discover that. When we speak about Holy Mother Han, she's one of those leaders who are called to be a leader of leaders. And one of the testimonies, or one of the proofs, is all of us being here today. And if we, as leaders, we could all learn sometimes to be in a leadership position and sometimes to be in a follower position when it's needed. Because there's no permanent leader. Sometimes we lead, sometimes we follow. I think then we can achieve unity. My last parting shot, or the second part of this message, is that again, as leaders, we have to come to the realization that spirituality must lead. Politics divide, unfortunately religion divides. But spirituality unites. Because spirituality transcends religion. It is on a higher plane. It's on a higher sphere than religion. Religion was created to understand the matters of spirituality. But spirituality is the real game because it's on a higher level. And those who connect on a spiritual realm or on a spiritual level There is no racism, tribalism, dogma. There is no class. Because what unites them is what is not of this earth, but of the spiritual realm. The only meeting point, the only unifier in this era, it's only those now who will not be seeking dogmas, but who are going to be seeking the path of spirituality. Spirituality is the future. Spirituality is the way. Spirituality is the unifier. Spirituality can put us together. Spirituality can help us to move from our own prejudices. Humans are prejudiced by nature. But only when you reach a spiritual level, you stop being prejudiced against others because of their dogma, skin color, their class in society, etc., etc. Because only those who are spiritually matured are able to overlook all these earthly things and are able to look at the bigger picture, and that is saving humanity, making this earth a better place, which we all want. Thank you very much.
It is essential to recognize that Imboni stands out as the sole African indigenous spiritual guider to be actively advocating for African indigenous spirituality post-colonization. Through dedication and resilience, Imboni is fast restoring the much-needed dignity to African indigenous spirituality. Regrettably, Masosha, the remarkable achievements of Imboni in championing African indigenous spirituality often go unnoticed and uncelebrated on the continent. This oversight is particularly disheartening as people in other parts of the world are beginning to appreciate the profound impact and transformative work that Imboni has done and continues to do. The prestigious Sunhak Prize, which honors individuals contributing significantly to peace and humanity, received widespread coverage across various national news platforms in South Korea and other global outlets, showcasing the importance of recognizing and celebrating those who are making significant and impactful contributions on an international stage. This recognition highlights the stark contrast between the appreciation abroad and the relative silence within Africa regarding Imboni's contributions. From the National Commander's Office to Inkosi Yomoya Dr. uZwi-Lezwe Radebe, may we kindly share our congratulations to Inkosi Yomoya on receiving the prestigious Sunhak Peace Prize. This remarkable achievement is a testament to Tata's unwavering commitment to peace and tireless efforts in making a positive impact in our community and beyond. As Indawo Ephakeme, we are truly humbled by Tata's leadership. Tata's actions inspire us daily to strive for excellence and to work diligently as a supportive team behind Inkosi Yomoya. Tata's vision and dedication motivates us to contribute to a brighter future for all and higher purpose. May this award serve as a reminder of the incredible difference Tata makes and inspires us all to continue working towards peace and unity. This is the second achievement in this period of growth. Tata is a leader by example. With heartfelt congratulations and admiration from Indawo Ephakeme, from the United Democratic Movement, UDM. Congratulations Inkosi Yomoya Dr. uZwi-Lezwe Radebe on being awarded the 2025 Sunhak Peace Prize. Statement by Mngqabayomzi Kwankwa, UDM Deputy President and Leader in Parliament. The United Democratic Movement, UDM, extends its heartfelt congratulations to Inkosi Yomoya Dr. uZwi-Lezwe Radebe on receiving the esteemed 2025 Sunhak Peace Prize, a global recognition reserved for those who make extraordinary contributions to peace, human development, and moral leadership. This honor is not only well-deserved but deeply symbolic, reflecting the incredible mark Inkosi Yomoya Dr. uZwi-Lezwe Radebe continues to make in the spiritual and moral reawakening of our people. His leadership through the Revelation Spiritual Home has reignited a spirit of African pride, unity and purpose, restoring a sense of identity and healing that transcends generations and geographies. The UDM recognizes Inkosi Yomoya Dr. uZwi-Lezwe Radebe as a custodian of African wisdom, a moral voice in our times, and a peacemaker whose teachings continue to shape a more conscious and harmonious world. His message resonates with the principles of justice, self-determination, and restoration values we as a movement hold dear. As he takes his rightful place among the global champions of peace, we salute his unwavering commitment to the upliftment of humanity through African spirituality and moral regeneration. May this prestigious accolade further amplify his mission and serve as a beacon of hope to all who strive for a better, united and peaceful world. Amaku, Magwande, Matemba ayaphila. As always, Masosha, Imboni captivated everyone's attention at the event. Guests eagerly gathered around Imboni, drawn by Imboni's magnetic presence. Some attendees sought Imboni's insightful wisdom, hoping to gain guidance from Imboni's extensive knowledge and experience. Others were eager to establish a connection with Imboni, recognizing the value of being associated with such an influential figure. Many expressed their heartfelt congratulations, sharing their admiration for Imboni's tireless dedication and impactful work for Africa and its diverse communities. The atmosphere buzzed with appreciation and respect for the profound contributions Imboni continues to make to uplift African people and promote progress across the continent. Kuhle Masosha, kuhle.